the state of this nation is just really wearing on me today. It's just so bad. Donald Trump is tearing families apart. I honestly don't even know what to articulate right now. I'm just... The weight of everything going on is so very heavy. And nobody wants to have their friends and family ripped apart from each other based on lies from this administration. That's what I can't get. People that I know to be good, moral people supporting a man who is evil, truly a bad man. This is not about being a Republican or a Democrat. This is about morality and humanity. It's so painful to see friends and family fall victim to this cult mindset, this echo chamber. It's so painful.